What's up, everybody? Welcome to Twin Turbo. Of course, on my intro, there's a freaking plane up in the sky. What is up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Twin Turbo. And today we are going to be revealing the rear install. It's done now, and I want to show it to you because I think it looks sick. Okay guys, so I told you that we were going to do two things. So two things did come in the mail. This is one, the other is for the front of the car. Obviously this is one of two, this is for the rear of the car, but it just totally helped out. This is a carbon fiber lip. It was 130 bucks. I got it off eBay. I wanted to keep like everybody in mind because not everyone's gonna be spending $700 on the Arc trunk deck lid, which is sick, by the way, and that may come in the future. But for now, you know, kind of appealing to everybody, like something very obtainable. All right, it is just missing, you know, that little bit extra of a curve. So they did a great job with this. The price is perfect, and I'm not claiming it to be the best spoiler out there, but it is definitely affordable. Now the front, I need to run to Walmart or O'Reilly or something like that because I need to get some ramps. The front of this is just going to be too hard to get underneath there with all of the bolts. So I guess I just gave it away. What the second item is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we are going to be doing a front splitter on the Stinger. It is going to look sick. It's going to give it that little extra oomph. Now I did not get carbon fiber or fake carbon fiber for the lip. It is a gloss black, so it'll match the car really well. Again, it's another item that I got off eBay. The shipping is not the best. I'm gonna link the guy in the description. He didn't give me a discount or anything, even though I told him I would put a link in my YouTube video. So I need to get the ramps to get this up off the ground because this thing just sits too low and I'm not a small guy. So it's a universal, it's the most common one I think that everybody gets. They sell it on eBay, they sell it on Amazon. It's like 100 bucks, 110 bucks. Just give it that little bit of extra. Now, since we did something on the rear, we did something on the front, we're gonna have to end up doing something on the side, guys, right? So, yeah. The thing is, this theme, I'm thinking what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna ditch the YouTube sticker. I'm gonna end up doing something different. I'm creating a logo right now, so, you know, more to come on that. So what I'm thinking we're gonna need to do is gloss black Stinger, remove the JB4, position that somewhere else. Maybe I'll put that on the inside of the car. Gloss black GT, maybe gloss black all-wheel drive. If it looks weird just being a square, I won't do that. But I just wanna black this thing out. So, you know, other aesthetics coming in the near future, guys, would be dropping this, getting rid of that wheel gap just a little bit, maybe an inch drop. Side skirts, probably going to continue the carbon fiber on the bottom vents as well as the side mirrors there. So, you know, I kind of got an Audi thing going on where it's blacked out and the side mirrors are not. But yeah, the Stinger's looking pretty sick, guys. I'm digging it. All right, guys, I really appreciate you. Like I said, hit that subscribe button because the next video will be the front splitter. We're gonna install that. Eventually, like I said, we're gonna do the side skirts and drop it, get rid of that wheel gap. There is that little wheel gap kind of bothers me. And then we just need to continue with the theme of carbon fiber and blacking it out. I want to stick with real carbon fiber. That's just more of a personal preference. Nothing against any sort of laminate or wrap or anything like that. Actually, where the tail lights are, the white part in between the two circles, I may end up seeing how it looks doing a gloss carbon fiber. If it looks very close to the license plate and the spoiler, then we will maybe try doing some carbon fiber up in there or gloss black. And then, like I said, carbon fiber Stinger and the carbon fiber GT or gloss black. You know, we'll just kind of feel it as we go. May do something with the diffuser. I actually really like the diffuser on this car, so I think they did a great job. You know, I don't want to redesign it too much, guys. I like clean and simple builds, right? I really want to get the front mount intercooler and the TCU tune and kind of keep this like a performance thing, since we are on the quest for the best 0 to 60. All right, guys, so thanks again. I appreciate all the help. Keep hitting that like button. It helps my videos get out there, you know, and we are going to almost be at 1,000 subs, which means somebody is going to be getting a free oil catch can by Mishimoto. Can't go wrong with that. So I appreciate all the support, guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.